Uh, Good morning to all. This is for class 7 nutrition in animals. Basically, in your class, we have to study about three types of animal. One is human beings, we are. Another is grass-eating animals, and other is the unicellular microorganism, amoeba. Right? The first of all, I would like to say what is nutrition. It is a process of taking nutrients, right? It is a process of taking nutrients. What are the nutrients? All the good food components having nutrient is called nutrition. Not all these things which is useless, which is just for we are taking for junk food, they are not nutrition. But whatever we take it comes into the nutrition in animal. Okay. For digestion in human, it starts from our mouth. As we take either some solid material like bread, like guava, like apple, whatever it is, or the liquid material like milk, like juice, whatever it is, that start from here, right? This is mouth. In mouth, there is buccal cavity. The buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is a set of teeth. Buccal cavity, it is a set of teeth, right? In this buccal cavity, we have tongue also. We have tongue also and salivary gland also. The split, whatever the watery part of in our mouth, it is saliva. It is not common water. It is saliva, which start the digestion with the digestion of carbohydrate, right? It start the digestion of carbohydrate. So buccal cavity, first we take anything and cut, chew, grind, and then swallow it with the help of tongue, right? The first teeth, it is incision. You know what is the function of scissor? It is to cut. So first cut it. So incision, right? This is known as incisor teeth. Now just neighboring, it is canine teeth, pointed teeth for tearing, right? And for grinding, there is molar and premolar, which help to grind all the hard material. Right? So this is all about the buccal cavity. Right? After the grinding, with the help of tongue, we swallow anything and it comes to the oesophagus, and it is also known as food pipe. Oesophagus, right? Oesophagus. It comes to the food pipe. Then here is stomach. In the stomach, there is acid. HCl acid is found. So it kills the germs and it liquidifies the semi-liquid or semi-solid material after chewing, right? Now, and then it comes with where the liver is there. Liver secretes what secretes liver? Bile juice, which is kept in. Tell me. Which is bile juice, which is kept in gallbladder, right? Which is in gallbladder, right? Then after it comes to the small intestine, where finger-like projection villi is present, which absorb all the nutrition, all the liquid nutrition, and it sent to the cells, right? And one more thing I would like to add here. After the process of respiration, when we receive oxygen, then oxygen comes to the cell with the help of RBC and then react with glucose and release energy, right? Release energy. So this comes to the small intestine, okay, right? And then large intestine, the rest of the water molecules and the water minerals which is dissolved in water, it is absorbed in large intestine. Large intestine is large because of their thickness. Small intestine is long. Small intestine is long, but is called small intestine because of their thickness. Okay, it is thicker. Large intestine is thicker. The small intestine is thinner, while large intestine is smaller and small intestine is longer, right? And then finally it comes all the waste material comes to the rectum for then it is all about this human digestion. Now, as I told, we have sense organ. Among this 5 sense organ, tongue is one of the sense organ. So in comment box mention in which portion, which kind of test we are. One more thing I would like to explain here. When you go to the fast food shop, they add some sparkle things, that is Ajinomoto, which affect the taste bud. By this we found much tasty things that street food or the chow mein, whatever they prepare with the Ajinomoto, it control or it affect on our Ajinomoto, our taste bud, so that we attract to that. It is harmful, so avoid this Ajinomoto, avoid this. You also have seen that when your mother prepare such kind of food in their house, it is not so much tasty, but it is nutrients value, because they do not add the Ajinomoto, so they do not make active on these taste buds, right now. So this is all about the human digestive system. Now grass eating animals, you have seen that in your farm, that cow, goat, cow, buffalo. Basically cow, buffalo, you can easily observe, they cut the grass and just swallow it rapidly, speedily. And then when they sit, and it is to say that भैंस के आगे बीन बजाए भैंस रही पगुराई, like this. So this is the chewing, the process is chewing. So after the grass eating animals take the food and put it in their stomach, and their stomach is called rumen, and the process of taking this is called rumination, right? So first they store in their stomach, then rumen, and then half digested curd or the grass material is called curd. It comes to the again in their mouth, and they swallow it, so that they can get the nutrients value. So this is the rumination. 4 chambers are present in cow's stomach, right now. So rumination is the process of digestion in the grass eating animal, right? Now unicellular microorganism, amoeba. This is pseudopodia. Why it is called pseudopodia? Because we cannot see by electronic microscope how they, suppose it is a food product for amoeba. It is a food product for amoeba. Amoeba is having no structure. It is very microorganism. So it is not visible that how this food product comes to their food vacuum. We cannot see it. So something is there now. Just like you can think that we have hand, then I can pick this now. Similarly, but for amoeba we cannot see even by microscope. So it is called the pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. Pseudo means false, and podia means feed. That's why amoeba is called pseudopodia. So it is for this chapter it's enough. Now I already said, must send me in comment box what test in which part of the tongue. Thank you.